Hey there, everybody. Pastor Padron here, and today I have the newly released Carolina Red Flake with Perique. Carolina Red Flake with Perique is released every few years by Cornell Diehl. This one has 20,000 tins in the run and includes some 2013 Virginia Mahogany, 2017 North Carolina Red Virginia, 2019 Georgia Orange, and 2019 North Carolina Red Virginia, and 2022 North Carolina Orange, along with Perique from 31 Farms. And let's open this up and find out what this is this time around. Every run of this is a little bit different. Very sweet, kind of plummy. Let's see, let's get these out of the way here. Yeah, earthy, plummy, figgy. Very smooth. Very nice. There's the flake there in the jar, and touching it, they feel maybe a little bit on the damp side, but let's try taking some of this and putting it into the pipe. I'm a Virginia Perique guy, so I look forward to this when it comes out. Carolina Red Flake is one of my favorite Red Virginia flakes, and I thought the Carolina with Perique was a great addition to their lineup here. All right, shall we light this up and see what this is? All right, well, despite my curiosity about the moisture of the flakes, it lit right up. It's very smooth and creamy. There's an earthiness to it, deep fig, date, raisin notes. You can really smell the Perique. It's nice. The retrohale is very figgy too. A little bit of that dark stone fruit and that black pepper spice that you often get from Perique. It's smoother than I expected and not as spicy as I expected. Wow. There's also a kind of a bready note. The further down into the bowl I get, you can kind of tell things are very nuanced. The flavors are married very well together. There's a lot of depth to this. The Virginias are coming a little bit more forward now with deep, very rich stewed fruit notes, picking up a little bit of orange too. Now there's a little bit of a zip left on my palate from the Perique. The finish is kind of a deep orange note, stewed fruits, earth, dates, figs, along with that raisiny Perique spice. This year's release of Carolina Red Flake with Perique is very smooth, it's very creamy, and it's got a lot more nuance to it than it has in past years. The Perique is not in your face. It is very, very good and plays well with the Virginias there. It's like a perfect balance, really. You get a lot of those Perique notes of fig, raisin, and plum, along with the stewed fruit and bread notes of the Virginias. And some of those Virginias, I think, are bringing a little bit of orange into play here. And altogether, it makes for a delightful mix. And I'm very, very happy with this year's release. It's creamier than I thought, not as spicy as I was expecting. But if you like vapor blends, you want to give this one a try. 20,000 tins. It's going to be around for a little bit, but it's not going to hang around long. This stuff always flies off the shelf. So I would recommend going and getting a couple, one to smoke now and one to save for later. I'm going to finish smoking this bowl myself and get back to work. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.